Next is section and articles. So as I explained, right? So section and articles. So if you want to give a brief description, the entire description about one particular concept, we're going to use the section. In that section, we are using the articles, right? So section basically what it gives, thematic grouping of content. Thematic grouping means all entire thing I'm going to display, right? And that whole part I'm going to divide. Means you can consider like book, right? One textbook. One textbook, it will be having what the all the content are what that particular subject. For example, you take web, right? I'm giving one web textbook means all the data, all the content what I am giving, what we are writing in that web book, all related to the web subject, right? And I'm dividing that one. I'm dividing into n number of blocks, like chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that, right? Means the whole web textbook you can consider as a section, and that chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, that is like articles, right? Whole content, and dividing that whole content into smaller content with the help of article tag, right? So we can easily say that article is what, clearly independent, distributable, nothing but a small description we are giving about the content. Section, we are giving a brief description about that content. Okay, we can use article tag in the section tag, but not section tag in the article tag. Okay, so section is what, we can say that it is a thematic grouping of content. Section means thematic grouping of content. Articles are precise use of content. Precisely. Okay, this is what I want to display. Only I'm going to display these things. Article, for example, we can say that browsers. We can say browsers, right? So we have different types of browsers. First, I will give what description I will give. A browser is used for this purpose, for surfing. Okay, a browser uses a TCP/IP model, and it uses a DNS server. With help of DNS server, it's going to pick the pages and all. What on the 15 to 20 lines, 50 to 20 lines, I'm going to write, right, about the browser. Right. Next, what I will do, we have different types of browsers. Okay, we have different types of browsers. In the first one, we're going to use Google Chrome. Second one is Internet Explorer, and third one is Mozilla Firefox, right? Mozilla Firefox. And next, I want to give a small description about the Google Chrome. Only 3 to 4 lines I'll give. 3 to 4 lines about the what, Google Chrome. Next, 3 to 4 lines about Internet Explorer, right? Next, 3 to 4 lines about Mozilla Firefox, right? Now, browser 15 to 20 lines, and all are what, section only. In this section, I am using what, giving 2 to 4 lines about Google Chrome, 2 to 3, 4 lines about the Internet Explorer, right? This is under one article. This is under one article, and all articles are under one section. This is what section article. Section means whole thing, that is thematic grouping of all the content. Thematic grouping means it's going to include the articles also. Okay, in this article, what I'm writing, right, that is also included in that section part only, right? So that is the reason we say it as grouping. Section means what, the thematic grouping of element, and one more is what, the article means a precise what we actually want to say, a dot on dot explanation about Google Chrome, one particular word. That is what article is, right? So we'll try to write one small code. Okay, I'll just remove this navigation and all before I just close this. Okay, we're going to use the section. Okay, under this section, I'm using like something top stories. Top stories. Close the paragraph, and I'm using the section now. This I'm using the news. Right. In newspaper, you'll see small articles, right? So I'm trying to explain that one. Or we can use directly in case of top stories. I'm using the let browsers, right? I'm going to use the browsers. Okay. Next, after browser, next news. Wait, I'm just trying to explain this news. Then articles. Okay. In news, I want to explain what small story one, like story one. You can say that cricket news. I'm going to use like cricket. Small discussion about this one. Cricket, right? Then same thing. Article like hockey. Right. So I'm going to close this section. Okay. Close this section. Okay, control this section. You can see that I have not written anything here, right? I have not written anything in the article. If you want, you can do. Means you can use like paragraph. Okay, you can use the paragraph. See, if it is confusing, means I explained the browser, right? So I will use the browser only. Just remove this one. No need. Just close this. If you explain, if you know about understood the browser, we can easily explain the browser. Right section. I'm going to use browsers to explain about some here browsers. You can do it in heading like H4, H4, and use some paragraph here about the browsers, like explain browsers are something important, blah blah blah. Okay, this dotted indicating some of the paragraph I'm writing. This includes some paragraph. Okay, I'm closing this paragraph. After this, in the browser, I want to use some articles now. Okay, first, what I want to use? First, I want to use what? Something. I will use H2 here, not 4. H2, and for below, I'm going to use H4 here. Okay, H4. First is Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Right. Next paragraph. Just a few description about Google Chrome. Google Chrome content. I'm closing this one. Right. I'm closing one article now. I want to display what Internet Explorer. Next means one more article we have to use. Close this. Give the paragraph, not paragraph. Give the which article. Internet Explorer H4. Do the paragraph. Okay, something like Internet Explorer again blah 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 blah. Right, then close the article. Right. In the same way, if you want, you can give the further, right? Like Mozilla Firefox, whatever you want. Just close this. Okay, I'm going to close the section also. I've created one section. Right, I'm closing that section. Right, just try what output you will get.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, beside Google Chrome, H4 sir closing tag.
Oh, sorry. No. Okay, I will do this mistake. No issue. I'll do this mistake. We will check what output we will get. Because this is a good point. HTML browsers automatically recorrect those errors. Correct? As I explained earlier. We'll check whether our browser will automatically recorrect this H2 to H4. Okay. The program. So program 3 correct? Yes, program 3. It's loading. See, it got it. It gives the output. Even though I have done mistake here, Google Chrome it displayed correct. H4 I have given, but here H2. But it has taken the H4 size only because we have opened with H4. It indicating for the browser that it should enclose with H4 only. Even though we made mistake, automatically the small mistakes, small errors will be recorrected by the browsers. They got it. Correct. This is what the section and articles. Okay, section and the articles. Okay. Just stop this. Later we'll check with the last option, that is figure